now that we have our image that we altered with the filters, and now we saved it, we are now going to upload it into a new code and create a tiling effect like this. This is from Steve's Makerspace, and I just made a couple of comments here for you guys to reference when you're doing some alterations. So again, we have that filter where if the mouse is pressed, it does one filter. If the mouse is not pressed, it does another. Pressing the S key to save it. So now I have my, I brought that image into here, and we're gonna create this abstract art with it. So at the very beginning, we set our parameters or our variables, that this is what you will be mostly messing with. So this tells the code what is the tile width and the height, so the X and Y size of each tile. What is the frame size, so size between the edge and the first tile, and then the padding, that's the size between the tiles. So automatically this will resize to whatever you guys set it to. Maybe let's give it no frame with small padding, maybe a 10. Yeah, so every time you generate it, it will essentially take a portion of the image that we have, the flowers images, or the, your filtered image, and cut it up into pieces and randomly place those pieces on your canvas. Now you have I have a background color here. This is like a purpley. You can also do like a 255 with just white, or just like any RGB. So 180, just random color. So you can mess with the background color, mess with the tile sizes here, the frame and the padding. So until you get kind of something you like. Personally, I don't know, I kind of like the square aspect, and I also like having a white background. Another thing you can do is the image is referenced here as part of the background, but it's commented out. So if we want to comment it back in, get rid of those forward slashes, and you'll see that the original image is now part of the work. So maybe we'll increase the padding a little bit. So you can get a lot of cool variations of this. And again, we press the S key to save it. And yeah, that's basically it. So play around with these variables, see what works, see what doesn't, and create a couple different saves from them, whichever are your favorites. So yeah.